Injured my foot. Let's see. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the video. It's been a little late, but yeah, so in this video we are going to create a Jake from Adventure Time, and we are going to go ahead and yeah, we're going to kind of make him look like the Ice King guy. Now let's go ahead and get started.
Be strong.
I don't know if you can see it. It's a black sock on a black thing, but basically I injured my foot. I just started a new job as a delivery driver, and I slipped out of a van and I injured it. So yeah, that's what my life has been for the past couple of days, or while, I guess. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here I am in Affinity something designer, and basically I'm just saving and creating the background. I usually start with a rectangle, and then once we do that, we're going to go ahead, and the image that I'm referencing, I will put it on the side somewhere, just so that you can see what I'm actually looking at. I think I'm using two screens, and yeah, just looking at Jake. I'm pretty sure I always get Jake and Finn mixed up. I'm pretty sure Finn's a human. Jake the dog and Finn the human. I'm pretty sure it's Jake. Jake's the dog. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and use the pen tool. And since I decided to make him more like I'm just using basic shapes. Once again, I'm just using basic shapes. This is gonna be really quick because I'm just using basic shapes. And then I convert to curves, and then I warp it and make it look more like a mouth and stuff. I think good thing about like Adventure Time is like it's super duper simple, like these shapes and stuff. And then I'm trying to like, get rid of these nodes. And this is also me being extremely lazy because whenever I create these points, I often just kind of I don't know what I was trying to say, but yeah, so anyways, so that is me being extremely lazy. We're gonna go ahead and create the ears and stuff, and we're just gonna make sure it's a simple point, just a couple points to get the point across. Make sure there's a fill. We're gonna use that color, and then we're gonna go ahead and clip it to the body to make a little drop shadow. So you can shed it to multiply, of course. Lower the opacity about 20-25%. That's a sweet spot. And we're gonna add a little shading to it. Now I wanted to spend more time on this, not really, but when I do vectors, I'm always like, I always have mixed feelings, because on one side, I want to do vectors that are whatchamacallit, I want to do vectors that are like have texture and stuff. But on the other hand, I just want to do like the flat, because the flat takes like the lowest amount of time. Not that I care about time too much, but yeah, it's just overall easy. So here we are making the Ice King's crown, the one that like possessed him or whatever. And it's just a very simple process to create this crown. So yeah, we're just kind of looking at the reference and then coming back and then looking at the reference to do the emeralds and stuff. And I was actually pretty proud of these little emeralds and stuff. But basically whatever I was saying just a second ago, because I totally forgot. Oh yeah, so I like flat designs, like minimal shading and stuff. At the same time, I really like paintings. So I'm always like conflicted when I do designs and stuff, if I should do it like flat. And the reason why most of these animations like on Cartoon Network and stuff are usually like these like simple colors, and like they're not painted. Like I don't know if you ever had like the question like I did when I was younger, where like you watch those old cartoons where it's like Looney Tunes, and you're like, why are like the main characters like just simple like this, like cell shaded, while the background's like hand painted and stuff? And the reason is, if they do frame by frame animation, it would be a nightmare to like have to hand paint each frame, and and that just takes up way too much time. So they keep it really simple to make animations easy, and so they can just focus on animation. And here I am, getting the corner tool and sharpening it to where he has sharp teeth like the Ice King, and kind of give him that Ice King look. And I'm going to ahead and sculpt with the pencil tool, select one of the points, and then draw out like that. And then I'm just going to kind of give it a drop shadow to make it look like he has some minor bags under his eyes and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know, I can't remember the penguin's name, but I'm also going to draw the penguin's name as well. Or I'm sorry, I'm going to draw the penguin as well. And if you guys can let me know what the name of the penguin is, I think it's Stanley or something, I can't remember. I could be completely wrong here, but yeah, that would be really helpful. And yeah, so if you guys want to see like some different content, or me editing something else, more Blender, or you know, more Affinity photo or whatever, you know, just leave in the comments, let me know. I mean, my channel is slowly growing. I mean, we're at like 19 subscribers right now, but I would love your feedback. So if you have any suggestions, you know, please leave them in the comments below, and I would love to get started on creating some amazing content for you guys that you actually want to see. Because right now I'm like, one of my videos that kind of looked like BMO was really successful, so I'm trying to like make more videos that are Adventure Time related and stuff. Or if you want, I can try to recreate, like, one of my favorite shows was like The Regular Show, or you know, Samurai Jack, or you know, other like cartoons and stuff in Affinity photo. And now the or Affinity the suite, it doesn't really matter what program you use, to be honest. But now the penguin is actually kind of difficult because I'm not good at new angles that I have never seen this character in, so I just kind of assumed that it was really basic, but then I also over assumed that it wasn't really basic, so I started adding like all these extra like parts and stuff to Stanley. But I'm pretty sure his name's Stanley. I can remember the Ice King saying, "Stanley, like, what are you doing?" Like, but I don't know, I can't remember. But then I didn't like that mouse, so I'm just kind of like overall just trying to fix it, adjust it, and move stuff around. But yeah, so like I said, let me know what you want to see. If you do want the source file, I'll put it in the my Patreon link, I guess. I do need to like update my Patreon and stuff to where it's just whatchamacallit it, where I just want to have like one tier. I just want to keep it simple, like $3 or $5 or something for all the source files and stuff. I have so much source files for so many things, just random project that I work on and stuff. So so you can just kind of look in there and see all of the curves and stuff. And here I am switching over to the pixel persona, so I can kind of just add a little hand-drawn little effects and stuff. And I'm always like, I don't want to spend too much time on this, so I was kind of like Bix did, between like spending a lot of time on it and just not caring. So that's usually what I do. I usually don't spend a lot of time on it because I just did this like last second, like make this really quick. And I was like, nah, you know, so I'm adding a little glow and stuff, little minor things that honestly are really messy, and I wouldn't put this like on my portfolio or something, but it overall looks okay. So I'm not gonna like knock it like too hard and stuff. And so, you know, yeah, I'm just adding little minor like shadows and stuff. It's really not dynamic, the shadows. I should have been more dynamic with it, but I was a little like nervous, I guess. So now I'm adding little highlights on the top and on his nose and stuff like that. Dude, am I boring? I'm boring myself. Maybe when I like do this voiceover, I like talk and I'm just like so bored with my own voice. I'm like, gosh, shut up, like the whole time. But yeah, so basically, yeah, that's it. But I do add, I think I started to add like some texture and stuff, but then I decided not to the bird. Yeah, here I am. But then what happened was I actually do add like a paper plastic texture, and you'll see that here in a second. I downloaded some free textures. You can go online and look up like just free masking textures or something, and I have like paper texture and like plastic texture and everything like that. And basically it's just black and white alpha, and you just kind of can paint it in if you want, or just what I do, I just change the blending mode and add it on. You'll see what I'm talking about soon. And I always like playing with the HSL and just messing with the hue to see what it looks like, and doing different things. And then I try to jump in the develop persona, but then I was like, oh, it looks bad, looks too orange, looks too. So then I just kind of created a duplicate pixel layer and then just masked out the top pixel layer, and then the bottom pixel layer you'll see will be okay. Here it is. Yeah. So I have a texture and I put it on top, and then I changed the blend mode. I can't remember what I changed it to. Whatever it says on there, that's what I did. And then so it kind of gives that like that plasticky look and stuff. And then I got rid of the outside and stuff, and made it. I was like, what should I write for this? And then I made like Ice Jakey. So yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much the end of the video. If you did like this, go ahead. I make a lot of content like this. If you want to see something, a character recreated or something, I can probably do it more in my style. This is pretty much directly copied. I mean, I did add like a new scene and stuff, so that's new. But yeah, if you do like this, go ahead, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. And yeah, check out my other videos, and you guys have a great rest of your day. I believe in you, and yeah, see ya.